How to tackle financial setbacks and start over one. Introduction. Imagine waking up one day to find your bank account nearly empty, bills piling up and debt collectors calling. Financial setbacks can strike at any time, whether due to job loss, a medical emergency, a bad investment, or an economic downturn. The feeling of financial instability can be overwhelming, leaving you uncertain about the future. But here's the truth. Setbacks don't have to define your financial destiny. Many of the world's most successful people, entrepreneurs, investors, and professionals have faced financial ruin and bounced back even stronger. The key lies in assessing your situation, creating a solid recovery plan, and adopting smart money habits that can help you rebuild and secure long-term financial stability. If you're struggling with a financial crisis, this guide will walk you through practical and actionable steps to tackle setbacks and start over with confidence. 2. Assessing your financial situation. Before you can rebuild, you need to understand where you stand financially. This requires a deep dive into your current financial health. A. Identifying the root cause. To prevent future setbacks, you must first understand what led to the financial crisis. Ask yourself, was it due to uncontrolled spending? Did I lose my job unexpectedly? Was I not financially prepared for an emergency? Did I invest in something too risky? Being honest about the root cause will help you make smarter financial decisions moving forward. B. Evaluating your current financial status. Once you identify the cause, assess your overall financial health by listing all assets, cash, property, investments. Listing all liabilities, debts, loans, unpaid bills. Calculating your net worth, assets, liabilities. Reviewing all income sources and monthly expenses. C. Understanding your credit and debt situation. Your credit score and outstanding debts will play a crucial role in your financial recovery. Take these steps. Check your credit report for errors. Understand your credit score and how to improve it. List your debts in order of priority. High-interest loans should be tackled first. Once you have a clear picture of your financial standing, it's time to move forward with a recovery plan. 3. Creating a recovery plan. Rebuilding after a financial setback requires a well-structured plan. This plan should address short-term fixes, like reducing expenses and settling debts, and long-term strategies, like building financial stability and security. A. Establishing a budget. A solid budget is the foundation of financial recovery. Here's how to create and stick to one. Track every dollar. Start by recording every expense for at least a month. Use budgeting apps, Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard to automate tracking. Categorize spending. Break down your expenses into necessities, rent, mortgage, food, utilities, transportation. Discretionary spending, entertainment, shopping, dining out. Debt payments and savings. Use a budgeting method. 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings debt. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a purpose. Identify areas to cut costs. Cancel unused subscriptions and memberships. Buy generic brands instead of expensive alternatives. Limit eating out and impulse purchases. A good budget prevents unnecessary spending, ensuring you maximize every dollar. B. Handling debt strategically. Debt can feel paralyzing, but the right approach helps regain control. List all debts. Organize debts by interest rate, balance, and due dates. Identify high-interest debts and credit cards, payday loans as top priorities. Choose a debt repayment strategy. Snowball method. Pay off smallest debts first for quick wins. Avalanche method. Tackle high-interest debts first to save more over time. Consider debt consolidation. If managing multiple debts is overwhelming, explore debt consolidation loans, combining all debts into one lower interest loan. Balance transfer credit cards if you qualify for 0% APR offers. Negotiate with creditors. Call lenders and request lower interest rates or extended payment terms. If struggling, inquire about hardship programs for reduced payments. Proactive debt management ensures you stay ahead instead of drowning in financial obligations. C. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Even if you're recovering from setbacks, saving something is better than nothing. Start small and scale up. Begin with a goal of $500, $1,000 for immediate emergencies. Gradually build 3-6 months worth of living expenses. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to a separate emergency savings account. Even saving $5 or $10 per week builds a habit. Cut unnecessary expenses to fund savings. Use windfalls, tax refunds, bonuses to boost your emergency fund. Sell unused items, electronics, furniture to add to savings. An emergency fund prevents future financial disasters from wiping out progress. Saivor. Increasing income and financial stability. While cutting costs is vital, increasing income accelerates financial recovery. A. Exploring new income streams. Diversifying income prevents reliance on one source of money. Freelancing and remote work. Offer skills on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Start freelance writing, graphic design, programming, or video editing, side hustles, sell products via dropshipping, print on demand, or handmade goods. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, gig economy. Work, drive for Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash. Deliver groceries via Instacart or Amazon Flex. Passive income streams. Invest in dividend stocks. Create an online course on platforms like Udemy. Expanding income sources builds financial resilience, reducing dependence on a single paycheck. B. Career advancement strategies. If job instability led to financial struggles, focus on career growth. Acquire in-demand skills. Take certifications or online courses to increase job market value. Learn high-paying skills, data analysis, coding, project management. Network and explore new job opportunities. Update LinkedIn and resume with recent achievements. Attend industry events and career fairs to find new job leads, negotiate a higher salary, research industry salaries using Glassdoor. Highlight contributions and ask for a raise or better job offer. Consider a career change. If your industry is declining, explore more stable fields, tech, healthcare, finance. Career advancement ensures steady income growth and better job security. C. Smart investing for long-term security. Investing turns money into wealth. Even after a setback, small investments build financial stability. Start with low-risk investments. Invest in index funds or ETFs for long-term stability. Use robo-advisors, Wealthfront Betterment for automated investing. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all money in one investment. Spread funds across stocks, bonds, real estate, and businesses. Plan for retirement. Contribute to a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matching contributions. Investing ensures long-term financial growth beyond just earning and saving. V. Psychological and emotional resilience. Financial recovery isn't just about money, it's about your mindset and mental strength. A. Managing stress and anxiety. Financial struggles cause emotional distress, but managing stress prevents burnout. Practice self-care. Engage in exercise, meditation, or hobbies to relieve stress. Maintain a positive outlook despite setbacks. Seek support. Talk to a financial advisor or mentor for guidance. Join support groups or communities for motivation. Don't dwell on mistakes. Learn from financial errors instead of feeling shame. Shift focus to solutions, not regrets. A clear mind boosts financial decision-making and recovery speed. B. Cultivating a positive financial mindset. Stay financially educated. Read finance books. For example, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Follow personal finance blogs, podcasts, or YouTube channels. Avoid financial comparison. Focus on your progress, not others' lifestyles. Social media often exaggerates wealth. Don't feel pressured. Celebrate small wins. Paid off a small debt. Celebrate responsibly. Saved $500 for emergencies. That's progress. Rebuilding confidence and motivation. Set clear, achievable goals. Example, save $1,000 in the next 3 months. Example, increase monthly income by $500 with a side hustle. Stay consistent and keep learning. Wealth building is a journey, not a one-time event. Revisit your goals monthly to stay accountable. By maintaining the right mindset, setbacks become stepping stones to financial success. Sixth, preventing future financial setbacks. Once you've rebuilt your finances, take steps to ensure you never face the same crisis again. A. Implementing financial discipline. Live below your means and avoid unnecessary debt. Track spending habits regularly to stay in control. B. Planning for the unexpected. Get health, life, and home insurance to protect against unforeseen emergencies. Create a will and estate plan to secure your assets. C. Setting long-term financial goals. Set clear financial goals for retirement, investments, and future security. Stay disciplined and keep building wealth over time. 7.0. Conclusion and call to action. Financial setbacks can feel like the end of the world, but they don't have to be. With the right mindset, budgeting strategies, and income-building efforts, you can regain control and build a stronger financial future. The road to recovery won't be easy, but every step, no matter how small, moves you closer to financial freedom. The key is to take action today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I regularly share practical tips on financial recovery, smart money habits, and wealth-building strategies. Stay tuned for more content to help you take control of your financial future.